Hello, everyone, and welcome again to another session, a bonus session uh, in your channel, Math Made Easy. Today, I want to show you how to square a number close to 5 or 50 or 500 or any number that starts with 5 and then followed by a bunch of zeros. If you remember, I gave uh, a bonus session for numbers that are close to a power of 10, 10, 100, and so on and so forth. In fact, you can develop rules for a number, around 70 or 80 or 20 quite easily, but the 50 is the easiest. The reason is 50 is half of 100, right? So let me show you how easy it is to do it. Suppose you have a number like 47. You want to square 47, okay? You know that 47 is 3 below 50, right? So you find the number that is 3 below half of 50. Half of 50 is 25. What's 3 below 25? It's 22. So you write 22. And then we said it's 3 below 50, right? 3 squared is 9. But since the 50 is half of 100 that has two zeros, I have to write the 9 in two digits. 0, 9. Done. How fast was that? If you practice, that won't take you 5 seconds, right? 47 square, 2209. Let's take a bigger number and maybe above 50 or 500. So let's say if I want 5004 square, I say that's 4 more than 5,000. 5,000 is half of 10,000 that has 4 zeros. So first of all, I take 4 more than half of 5,000. Half of 5,000 is 2,500. So I'm going to write 2,504. And then 4 squared is 16. I have to write it in 4 digits. 0, 0, 16. 3, 3, it's 25,040,016. Let's check. 5,004 square equals 250,40016, as I told you. So whether it's above 500 or below 500 or any other number that starts with 5 with a bunch of zeros, you can very easily find it. And the closer, of course, it is to that 50 or 500, the easier, because you will be squaring 4 or 3. As you go further, of course, it becomes harder. Okay, I hope this you like this session, and I promise you there are a lot of these coming in the near future. Thanks for your listening and watching, and have a great day. Bye.